Hi friends, now I see about how to place a 3D object on the paper virtually. So we go, first we download Unity software. So go to Google Chrome, type Unity. See that the get Unity. So you have download from this page. I put a link in the description. Next we want Vuforia. This is the package for 3D object. Go to Vuforia developer. Just we go to downloads. So you download for Android or iOS, whatever you want. Next. Okay, let's do it. Let's go to Unity. So new project and try it on. Create project. Okay, let's do it. The first step will be go to the edit, project settings, and player. You see that the three options: virtual reality supported, before augmented reality, and 360-degree stereo capture. So I will select these three options. Next, you import Vuforia package. Go to game of objects. Go to Vuforia and AR camera. So import. You see that the AR camera is added in the hierarchy. So let's click it. See, this is the options for AR camera. So now I put a 3D object. Now we want an image target. So we go to the Vuforia and go to develop. You see that get development key. So I put it this. And app name is Dragon. Confirm. Okay, you see this the Dragon one. So I click it. This is the license key for this project. So we copy. Now go to Unity and Windows. Go to Vuforia configuration. You see that the app license key. So paste it. Next we download image target and go to target manager. So add database. Okay. You see that the Dragon one is added into the database. So we'll just click it. Now you add the image to this page. Go to browse. So I already have a lot of HD pictures, whatever you want. So I just open it and give it 15 or something. You see that the image is successfully uploaded. It gives the rating. If it is give 1, so we cannot use these photos. We just click it and download database for Unity editor. Downloads. Download it. Show in folder. So just open it. It will import into the Unity. After importing this, go to game of objects, Vuforia, this image. Okay, you see that the image will be successfully in this page. Next, we want 3D object, so we download and go to 3D objects, download .obj file. See that this is a lot of 3D objects are there. Okay, I want a dragon, so go to animals. You see that the dragon will download. So I already downloaded it, so let's go to it. See that. So just import. So let's go to assets, the black dragon. You see that the dragon will successfully place, but its size is very large, so became the scale will be 1:1:1. We adjust this image depend upon the image target, so I'll increase the size of image target. Okay, next we place the 3D object which correctly on this paper, so we go to dragon. See that it's all 0 0 0 and position, rotation, scale will be a 1. It's okay. Next, image target, so they all 0 0 0. Next, we want lot of tools. This became just zoom it and rotate for my convenience. This is just move it. You see that, just move this. Okay, next we'll rotate whatever you want. Rotate in 360 degree. We successfully placed 3D objects on the paper. And next important step is go to Windows and again Vuforia configurations and the load object target. That's only this 3D object is loaded on this paper or this image. Okay, next step is this dragon is pulled into the image target. So, okay, it became a child of the image target. The dragon became the child of the image target. So okay, now I import, build settings. Whatever you want, Android or Universal Win platform, WebGL, iOS. So I go to Android. Other settings. The other setting, the name will be a this format com.company.product name. So I will just dragon. Okay, whatever your version for any for 4.1, so I will use Oreo OS, so I go to Oreo. Okay, next we build this app. You see that it's APK. Save it. Go to the dragon file. You see that it saved as a APK. So it copy the APK into the phone and install it and check it. Okay, after installing this, it will be see like this. So click this. You see that the 3D object is placed on this image. This image will be anywhere paper or something. It will be black and white also. The 3D object is placed over there. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.